Todd Moody claims former friend Nancy Camello borrowed money to fight a custody battle and refuses to pay him back.
Now, you say to him, hey, good morning. I wanted to know if you would be okay with me waiting to see if the judge makes Alan pay my attorney's fees. And if so, I'm hoping I could just give it all back to you in one lump sum. So now we have clearly a loan, because you say, I can give it back to you, I hope, in one lump sum if the court orders somebody else to pay my counsel fees, because I don't work.
Yes,
and the thing that one of the things that you don't do, one of the things that you don't do if you have difficulty taking care of one child is having another one.
Well, I was engaged to this person, Your Honor.
There's no question. There's no question out there for you.
And I cannot predict the future.
There's no question out there for you. What you just gave me supports the plaintiff's allegation that you understood you had to give this money back. You were hoping the court would order somebody else to pay it. But if they didn't, you had a little left over from what you get every month, and you could start to make payments. That's what you say in the text.
I'm sorry, I have to look through these. There's some other text messages where he's saying otherwise, agreeing to other things, but...
Well, I'd like to see them. But right now, the text dated July 4th acknowledges a loan. Now, if what you want to show me is that he forgave the loan, because right now, this acknowledges a loan. So only show me where he forgave the loan.
If I may have a moment to look through that.
You can have all the time you need.
Okay, here we go. Let me see. Let me see. Well, here's one.
I need the date of this.
There's no date on that one?
No. Oh, this is very nice of him. It shows that he's a nice person and you're not. It says, okay.
It looks a certain way, but it's not that way.
No, that's way okay, he says to you, but I'm not in a rush, and if it causes you to be short on anything, please let me know. I don't want to be added stress. I'd rather you take longer than not have money for your bills or your kids.
Your Honor, he began asking me out after he gave me the money. I refused him. I have a text of him telling me he wants to buy me Chanel perfume. I told him no.
Do me a favor.
Don't want anything from him.
Listen to me. Listen to me. I don't give a rat's behind about whether or not he wanted to take you out afterwards.
Well, he's
at the time,
suing me because I said no to him.
Listen, you don't look that much of a prize. Let's move further. You acknowledge in the text, and you acknowledge in the texts that you gave me that it was a loan. He was a nice guy. He said, so you can't give it back to me all at one time, because at first you said, I think the judge is going to let me get the counsel fees from Alan, who was evidently the father of this one-year-old. Didn't happen, so I can pay you back little bits at a time, because I have extra money. He's a nice enough guy. He said to you, I don't want to stress you. If you need more time, take more time. And the response to that niceness is you're saying, well, he really was harassing me because he really wanted more from me than just friendship and being a nice guy. And that's why he's doing his judgment for the plaintiff. Judgment for the plaintiff in the amount of $4,500. We're done.
Parties are excused.